we believe in a future where you don't have to do things by the book. There are unlimited ways to get where you're going or do what you need to do. So I do it like everyone else. Do it your own way. Get there on your own terms. With Flashboard, you can do it in any conditions and at speeds up to 30 miles per hour. And with 3 modes, you get to determine how fast you need your Flashboard to go. Completely redesigned axles feature unique double shock absorption tracks, together with first-of-its-kind perforated suspension wheels that provide superior comfort. You just don't feel a thing. Nowhere to park your car is now no problem. Park far away and glide to work to avoid the hustle of the city. Shock-absorbent tires lend strong grip to the ground below, so you can battle any element in any terrain without a worry. The Samsung batteries provide fast charging, or making sure that you can get back on the road when you need. You don't have to be a seasoned skater to see that the Flashboard provides stability, safety, and style to any rider. The hub motor can also generate power, so when you brake, the energy flows from the wheels back to the battery to give you that extra mile. The Flashboard speaks for itself. So compact, yet able to take the rider on inclines up to 30 degrees with ease. All controlled with a wireless remote in whichever freehand you choose. There are unlimited ways, routes, and roads to get where you have to go. Be a part of the future and get where you have to go the way you want to.
Water covers over 70% of the Earth's surface, and diving is one of the many ways to explore what our beautiful planet has to offer. Diving deeper and exploring further is always the diver's pursuit. Explore adventures underwater in a whole new way with the White Shark MIXPRO underwater scooter from Sublue. White Shark MIXPRO is incredibly lightweight and powerful, weighing only 3.55 kilograms, making it easier to do flips and spins underwater. With 2 speed options, you can go 1.2 meters per second to take in the breathtaking view that surrounds you, or as fast as 1.8 meters per second to race with fishes underwater. It is the perfect diving companion to help you conserve your energy and explore further with ease. Document all your adventures underwater without having to purchase expensive underwater filming equipment. Just mount your phone or action camera onto your White Shark MIXPRO and start capturing everything you see. It also comes with a detachable buoyancy regulator. Enjoy snorkeling without worrying about losing your underwater companion. Or, if you prefer to scuba dive, simply detach the buoyancy regulator to venture down to 40 meters below the surface. White Shark MIXPRO is thoroughly tested for sealing, salt corrosion, and sand-resistant performance. This makes White Shark MIXPRO more reliable and durable than the most competitive underwater scooter in the market. White Shark MIXPRO is equipped with LED lights, indicating the running status and low battery alert. Powered by a lithium battery, it lasts up to 60 minutes underwater and fully recharges in just 2 hours. The battery is compact and flight-safe. Travel around the world with your new companion. White Shark MIXPRO revolutionizes the way you explore underwater. Back us today to dive deeper and explore further.
As 3D printing technology is penetrating into more aspects of people's daily lives, we found that 3D printers have been changing and updating to meet customers' demands in recent years. We've always tried to focus on creating a 3D printer capable of providing high precision and user-friendly experience. Here, it debuts to the new beast, CR6SE.
It is for pros, hobbyists, and everyone else. The simple operation on CR6SE will provide users with premium 3D printing experience and enable more new users to easily acquire advanced skills. After finishing the assembly within 5 minutes, printing starts right out of the box. Equipped with a 4.3 inches HD color touchscreen, CR6SE can provide the user navigation in multi-languages. improving better interaction with the device. By the efforts of engineers, we made a giant leap in innovation. Featuring innovative levering-free tech, CR6SE is designed with a smart sensor to truly achieve hassle-free and intelligently automatic platform leveling, greatly improving bed adhesion and print quality. It saves print time and improves print quality at the same time. To meet the requirements of professionals, we made more improvements, including integrated multi-molding-in-one extruder for reliable filament extrusions, modified heat dissipation structure for better cooling efficiency, and an inventive nozzle structure for better print quality. We constantly try to create more possibilities for different applicable scenarios to give you a better user experience.
We carefully read all of your comments on our previous products and made the best printer yet. I'm confident to say that CR6SE is the most innovative printer we've ever created. Printing with CR6SE further.
This is the magnet. The camera mount for your phone that lets you capture an awesome slow motion view of your picking. The magnet expands in one direction to clamp onto the neck of your instrument, from 6-string guitars to 7-string guitars and even mandolins. The magnet is spring operated. There are no actual magnets in the magnet. It just looks like one. It expands in the other direction to fit your phone, even with a case. Then snug up the strap to lock it in and start filming. The result is footage straight down the strings, the ideal angle for seeing what you're doing right and what you're doing wrong. This isn't as obvious as you might think. When you play a problematic phrase slowly, it sounds perfect, so you think, okay, I got it. But working it back up to speed again, it's maddeningly still sloppy. To really see what to fix, what you need to do is slow down the fast version. And very often when you do this, you see things you didn't even know you were doing. If you want to go even further, pair the magnet with the instruction on the Cracking the Code platform. We've spent years using the magnet to film incredible players, to understand how different picking techniques work and how to do them. We've boiled that knowledge down into simple instructions that anyone can follow. And by comparing your own footage to these examples, you can make sure you're on the right track. And you're not alone in this journey. You can even upload magnet clips to the platform for targeted feedback on your playing from the Cracking the Code community. We've been using the magnet for years, and it's been invaluable in helping us learn how picking technique really works. We've been building these things by hand. With your help, we can build them for everyone. Read on for more video and details of the magnet in action, and please reach out if you have any questions. Here's to more musical learning and better technique for everyone.
Hi guys, Today I'm introducing a portable SSD drive with lightning fast 1000 megabytes per second transfer speed and a massive storage capacity of up to 4 terabytes. This is a HyperX2 portable SSD drive. It's light, compact, and perfect for storing all of your files offline. Scroll down the page.